Welcome to Fluent by Story, where powerful words help you become the best version of yourself. In today's video, we'll unlock the secret to confidence, how to build it, how to keep it, and how to live it. If you've ever struggled with fear, self-doubt, or feeling like you're not enough, this message is for you. Whether you're learning English or looking for motivation, this story is designed to help you speak stronger, think bolder, and become more confident, starting today. So listen carefully, repeat with me, and let's reprogram your mind with belief, power, and self-worth. Let's begin. Confidence is not something you are simply born with. It is something you build with effort, patience, and consistent action over time. Every confident person you see once had moments when they were unsure, insecure, and afraid of being judged. The truth is, confidence is not a magical gift. It's a learned behavior, a trained muscle, a mindset that you build one decision at a time. Many people wait for confidence to show up before they take action, but the reality is, confidence only grows when you take action, especially when you're scared. Fear and confidence are not enemies, they exist together. The most confident people are not fearless, they simply choose to act in spite of fear. Every moment you speak up when it's hard, every time you show up even though you feel unprepared, and every decision you make to keep going when you want to quit, those are the bricks that build unshakable confidence. True confidence begins when you decide to stop seeking approval from others and start seeking truth within yourself. When you no longer define your worth by likes, attention, or applause, you free yourself from the prison of people-pleasing. Real confidence comes from knowing who you are, what you value, and why you matter, regardless of outside validation. It's walking into a room not wondering who likes you, but asking yourself, do I like who I am being right now? Confidence is built in the choices you make when no one is watching. Waking up early, honoring your word, setting boundaries, doing the hard things when it's easier to avoid them. And confidence thrives in environments of discipline. When you do what you say you'll do, your mind begins to trust you. You no longer feel like an imposter. You feel aligned. That alignment between who you say you are and how you show up is where true confidence is born. The world teaches you to doubt yourself. Ads tell you you're not enough. Social media compares you to perfection. Your past mistakes whisper that you're broken. But here's the truth, you are not your past. You are not your fears. You are not your failures. You are the one who rose anyway. You are the one still fighting. You are the one still dreaming. And confidence is your birthright. It's not reserved for the loudest, the richest, the prettiest, or the smartest. It's for the willing, the consistent, the ones who dare to believe that they matter. And that means it's for you. Every step outside your comfort zone is a vote for your future self. The first time you speak in front of a crowd, your hands shake. But you do it anyway, and you survive. The first time you launch a business, start a video, record your voice, or post your truth, you're terrified. But you do it, and suddenly fear has less control. Confidence grows each time you do what scares you. It grows when you take responsibility for your energy, your choices, and your outcomes. Confident people don't play the victim, they play the creator. They don't say, why me? They say, try me. They don't wait for someone to save them. They save themselves. And you can do that too. You can become the kind of person who radiates calm under pressure, who walks into a room and lights it up, not because you want attention but because you are connected to your purpose. Confidence is not about talking over others, it's about listening to yourself. It's about trusting your voice when you speak your truth. It's about knowing you're allowed to take up space. You're allowed to dream big. You're allowed to fail and still be proud. You're allowed to say, "This is who I am," and not apologize for it. The most magnetic people are not the ones who fake perfection. They are the ones who are real. Vulnerability is strength. Honesty is attractive. Owning your flaws is more powerful than hiding them. Because people don't trust perfection, they trust presence. They trust the person who owns their story, who embraces their scars, who stands tall even when they feel small. And you can be that person. You're already on the path. Every moment you listen to something like this, every book you read, every journal entry you write, every time you decide to grow, you are becoming that version of yourself. You may not feel confident today. You may feel broken, lost, unsure. But that's okay. Confidence doesn't mean you never feel low. It means you know that this low isn't where your story ends. You've been through so much. You've survived heartbreak, loss, rejection, failure, and yet here you are. That alone is proof of your strength. That alone is a reason to believe in yourself. Because you didn't quit. And you won't. Confidence grows when you stop looking back and start focusing forward. When you build the habits that support your future. When you talk to yourself like someone you love. Stop saying you're stupid. Stop saying you're not good enough. Would you talk that way to a friend? No. Then why speak that way to yourself? Be your own best friend. Be your own coach. Speak words that heal, not hurt. Confidence is a reflection of the story you tell yourself about who you are. Change the story, change your life. Tell yourself every day, I am enough. I am capable. I can figure things out. And the more you say it, the more your mind believes it. Because repetition is power. The more you repeat something, the more it becomes a belief. And belief drives behavior. So practice confidence. Speak confidently. Walk confidently. Make decisions confidently. And your life will begin to change. Not because the world changes, but because you show up differently. You show up as someone who leads. Someone who dares. Someone who owns their space. Confidence is also about resilience. Life will test you. People will doubt you. Some will laugh at you. Some will leave you. But your confidence must come from within, not from their approval. Confidence is not loud. It's grounded. It's silent strength. It's unshakable peace. It's the ability to smile when storms come because you know who you are. And when you know who you are, no one can take that away from you. Confidence is not something you get once and keep forever. It's something you build again and again. Like a muscle, it needs training. It needs challenge. It needs love. And today you're building it. Right now, with every breath, with every word, with every choice, you are becoming unshakable. You are becoming the version of you that doesn't shrink, doesn't run, doesn't hide. You are becoming the you that stands tall, speaks truth, and dares to be seen. This world needs that version of you. Your family needs that version. Your dreams need that version. Your future depends on that version. So don't play small. Don't wait. Start now. Speak up. Take the leap. Back yourself. Even if you fail, even if you fall, even if no one claps, do it anyway. Because confidence is doing the thing without the applause. Confidence is becoming your own biggest fan, your own best friend, your own hero. So rise. Rise with courage. Rise with grace. Rise with confidence. Because once you believe in yourself, truly believe, there's nothing you can't do. You are unstoppable. You are unshakable. You are ready. And no one, not fear, not doubt, not failure, can take that away from you. Thank you for listening to this story on confidence. If these words helped you feel stronger, braver, and more ready to face the world, then hold on to that feeling, because it's already inside you. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, growing, and owning who you are. And you did that today. If you're serious about building your English skills and your mindset, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Fluent by Story. We're here every day with powerful stories to help you speak fluently and live confidently. Until next time, keep rising, keep believing, and never stop becoming the best version of yourself. You are enough.